Hi, Dr. Chan. There's I forgot what number it is, but Tableau exercise for calculations in that module. So we're gonna do a couple things on this. First, we're gonna just create a calculation, make an if statement, and just show how that works. We just right click, or I guess you go up here. Go here, create calculated field, and you do a whole bunch of stuff. I call this blah blah blah. And do like if. There's an if statement. And you do if sum of, and you can always drag stuff in. Profit is greater than 0, then positive, else negative. And you always have to end if statements with end. And you do that. Apply, okay. And now it's here. Now we could color by it. Everything's positive right now because it's some profit. But yeah, that's how you would make a calculated field. If there was negative, then it would pop up. But this Tableau workbook I'm on doesn't have those values on it. Not right now, at least. Okay, so that's how you do that. Go to double click up here and do the things. So you do like sales, and the fields will automatically pop up. Did not mean to do that. Minus profit. Just drag it up and do that. Oh, because I did that. I don't like that again. Sales. Oh no. Just sales. Minus profit. Now it pops up here too. So that's another way to make a calculated field. You can make it in here. And if we want to keep this, you just drag it into the side pane, and it will keep it. So now it's here. I don't want this here, so I'll take this out. Okay. And then, so we went over if statement, went over how to make calculations. So you can do quick table calculations. So here you do profit. Let's see. How did they do it again? I forgot. Hold on. Forgot. Quick table calculations. So table calculations, like you can do calculations in here in the actual worksheet area of the worksheet. You know what I'm saying? And they'll only affect the data that's in here, but not affect the data on the side pane. So you can always go here, edit. If you click different stuff, it will show you how it affects the graph. And so right now, it's comparing across all years. But say you want to know by specifically each year, so just 1 year. It's just 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. Not how it spans through all 4 years. Just click pane, and now you got just the 1 year here. That's kind of what we want to do. So I'm gonna click that, leave that. Calculation type, running total of the sum. And yeah, now it's like that. It was colored by category. I think it's what it did in the graph to show that technology has the best, or running total profit for technology for all the categories. Technology is the highest for each year, something like that. So yeah, that's how you would do that. And then quick table calculations just have other stuff you could do. Right now it's our running total. If you got rid of running total, then it won't do it by year. yeah, I think I messed it up because I hit that. Yeah, I messed it up. There we go. And then they had different stuff. Here you can edit too. They're talking about edit the table. So you do specific dimensions. So right here, they want to know like what's percentage, the subcategory percentages of like each item for like just the one category. But right now it's doing it for all categories, so that's why the 100% is at the end. So they're saying that like bookcases is 11.6% the total whatever being bought for everything across all categories. So if you just want to know for just the furniture category what percentage bookcases make up for it, you could check and uncheck all of these. So basically like it partitions by one and then sorts by one. So we just click subcategory. You see now bookcases is 35% of the total whatever being bought for just furniture, and then the others changes. So office supplies has its own, technology has its own, and so you keep it like that. So they just want to see that too. And then if you want to make like a level of detail calculation or LD, whatever. So the format for that is squiggly, like a squiggly bracket, and you do include you do like order ID, then you do like a colon, and you do sum of whatever you want, profit. So this will like make it profit by order ID, like in case it was like by something else. So I'll put the parentheses. And it's right here, and then you just drag it out. But not for this. I don't know if this will work for here. It kind of worked. I didn't mean put order ID in here though. There you go. So it kind of worked. So this is like a sum of profit for order ID, and yeah. And that's how you make like a level of detail calculation. This isn't the right tablet workbook they had it on. They use it like on the map. But you kind of get the idea with this too. Especially just frying it out format wise. And then if you want to do, say, you want to do some date stuff. They had it where like if the date was like, I don't know how to describe it, separated by like year and stuff. You can always do like combine them. You just use a date diff could show you the difference between dates. You just specify like if you want, if it's like by days or months or years, you would do day, and then you would do like order date, and then ship date, the comma, ship date, and that will show you the difference between the two dates. And it'll show up here, as you can see. Yeah. And then you always like, if this one doesn't have it, but if it had on the side year, month, day in separate columns, you can always combine it together to make it like drill down. So you just do make date, and you just drag in the fields year, comma, the month field, comma, the day field, hit apply, and it'll make a pill over here on the side where it'll be like a drill down date, like this has already. Yeah. So yeah, that's some of the stuff you could do with field calculations. Thank you.